Hi dear customers, this is Casey from Quang Tokyo Company. From tomorrow until 22 December, we have the exhibition in the Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. Our booth number is A07 and A08. So in our booth, you can find many accessories for the zipper, long chain, and the finished zipper. And also you can find many accessories for bag, such as the trolley bag, lady bag, or the backpack computer bag. And you can see many different model zippers, such as the nylon long chain and the plastic long chain, waterproof long chain, and metal zipper long chain. Also, you can find many machines from our this catalog. I can explain the details for you about how to make zipper and sliders or button over the bag accessory. So if you are interested to get more details, you are welcome to visit our booth in Ho Chi Minh City. Thank you.